How to swap the appearance of a light in HDR Light Studio. The appearance of the light is controlled by the content section. So, in the presets panel, if you go to any of the content types and select them, let's select content images, I can now find a light appearance that I like, right click, apply to current light, and it will instantly update the light's appearance. Right click, apply to current light. Right click, apply to current light. We can change the content type, so let's choose box gradients and right click, apply to current light. Let's change it to content gradients. Right click, apply to current light. So that's how you change the appearance of a light in HDR Light Studio. You go and select one of the content types and then just right click to apply it to the current light.